Z7. Let your light shine on. Yeah, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. I'm gonna put it on a stand, I won't give up the fight. I'm gonna stand with courage, I won't be discouraged. Gonna stand in the truth, and that the truth is knowledge. I am blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed to have a love like this, like this, like this. Yes, I am a son of the king, I know that I'm accepted. Have a destiny, and I won't be rejected. I want you to feel it, so that is why I say this. I let it out, spit these bars, making God famous. I'ma let it shine, little light of mine. Put the news on a stand and I won't let it hide. So you can come and ask, and I will tell the truth. Cause my story stands before you and it's living proof. If he did it for me, then he'll do it for you. He's knocking on the door, so what you gonna do? This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Oh, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. Oh, let it shine. This little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Will testify and live my life. The grand design, I believe it. Yeah, you're the reason why. Now I see it. No longer faking, no longer confused. So I give you praise cause I love what you do. Cause you give me something people don't understand. Yep, you know you make me wanna be a better man. So I'm gonna go out and talk to your people. Yes, 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 I'm gonna talk to your people.